This year, as we join the global community in observing the International Day for Biological Diversity under the theme Acting Locally for Global Impact, World Environment Day under the theme Inspired by Nature for Climate for Our Future, and the World Oceans Day under the theme Reimagine Beyond the World We Know, a New Relationship with Our Ocean, we are reminded of a simple but powerful truth. Global conservation begins with local action. The choices we make in our communities, watersheds, farms, coastal areas, and ocean space shape not only the future of St. Lucia, but also contribute to the health and resilience of our shared planet. In St. Lucia, biodiversity is not an abstract concept. It is woven into our everyday lives. It is found in the rivers that support agriculture, the seas that sustain fisheries, the forests that protect our water supply, and the landscapes that drive tourism and national development. Biodiversity supports livelihoods, strengthens food security, enriches our culture, and enhances our ability to withstand the impact of climate change. As part of this commemoration, we are invited to reimagine our relationship with the ocean by reflecting on how we use and manage our marine space and resources. We are called to consider what the ocean truly means to us, how it has been treated over time, and whether the benefits it provides are being shared equitably while safeguarding these resources for future generations. Our forests, mangroves, coral reefs, seagrass beds, and wider terrestrial, coastal, and marine ecosystems are among our greatest national assets. They protect our shorelines, protect fisheries, provide critical habitats for wildlife, and sustain economic activity across the island. The petals, our rainforests, and the St. Lucian parrot remain enduring symbols of the natural heritage that defines us as a people and distinguishes St. Lucia globally. Yet, this heritage faces growing pressures. Climate change is already affecting our island through more intense rainfall events, warmer seas, coastal erosion, and shifting weather patterns. These impacts threaten our ecosystems, our livelihoods, and aspects of our cultural identity that are deeply connected to the natural environment. Pollution, habitat degradation, invasive species, and unsustainable practices further undermine the delicate balance of our ecosystems. These are not simply environmental concerns. They are national development challenges that affect livelihoods, health, food security, economic stability, and community resilience. As climate impacts intensify, we are increasingly reminded that there are limits to adaptation, making the protection and restoration of our ecosystems more urgent than ever. Biodiversity is the insurance policy of nature. It safeguards our food, water, livelihoods, health, and economy while strengthening our capacity to adapt to climate change and other environmental pressures. While small island developing states often face resource and capacity constraints, we are fortunate to possess rich biodiversity and natural ecosystems that strengthen resilience. These also support sustainable development and help us respond to growing climate risk. Every local action matters. Every riverbank restored, every mangrove protected, every sustainable farming practice adopted, and every effort to reduce pollution contributes to the global effort to conserve biodiversity and build climate resilience. Across St. Lucia, encouraging examples of local action and partnership continue to emerge. Farmers are adopting climate-smart agricultural practices that protect soil and water resources. Fishers and coastal communities are supporting marine conservation efforts that enhance the long-term sustainability of our seas. Young people, schools, community organizations, and civil society groups are leading restoration projects, environmental education initiatives, and cleanup campaigns across the island. These efforts demonstrate how local action can generate meaningful national, regional, and global impact. Within the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries, Food Security, and Sustainable Development, together with partner agencies and stakeholders, we continue to advance important work to protect and restore St. Lucia's natural environment. From restoration efforts at the Makot Mangrove, a Ramsar site of international importance, to national initiatives addressing the impacts of sargassum on coastal communities and marine ecosystems, St. Lucia remains committed to strengthening environmental resilience and conserving biodiversity. We continue to strengthen the National Biodiversity Strategy and Action Plan to ensure biodiversity conservation remains integrated into sustainable development planning. We are advancing the Sustainable Blue Economy agenda and implementing blue-green initiative restoration projects that support ecosystem restoration, climate adaptation, and sustainable livelihoods while contributing directly to the implementation of St. Lucia's National Adaptation Plan and associated sectoral plans. One example is the Integrated Ecosystem Management and Restoration of Forests on the Southeast Coast Project, which continues to restore and protect forests, mangroves, coastal ecosystems, and watersheds that are vital to our resilience and survival as a small island developing state. At the same time, St. Lucia has developed a national oceans policy and strategic action plan, and advanced a national oceans governance study to strengthen the sustainable management and protection of our marine resources. We also continue to invest in science and research to deepen our understanding of St. Lucia's unique biodiversity, including ongoing research on the biological, ecological, distribution, and venom characteristics of the St. Lucia viper, while taking measures to reduce human-wildlife conflict. Protecting the biodiversity, however, cannot rest on government alone. It requires partnership, shared responsibility, and collective action at every level of society. Every ministry, sector, community, household, school, and business has a role to play. Let us draw inspiration from nature to confront the climate challenges before us and foster a new relationship with our ocean, one grounded in stewardship, sustainability, equity, and responsibility. Through our collective efforts, we can protect St. Lucia's natural heritage, strengthen our resilience, and build a more sustainable and prosperous future for present and future generations. As we observe the International Day for Biological Diversity, World Environment Day, and World Oceans Day, let us renew our commitment to acting locally with purpose, urgency, and unity. Let us continue restoring our terrestrial and marine ecosystems, supporting sustainable livelihoods, advancing science and innovation, and empowering communities to become active stewards of the environment.